Okay, let's move on the next example from the block reduction method. Example number 5. So example is little bit complicated. Mixer with some input. Again there is a block. Again there is a mixer. Again there is a block. Actually there are two blocks. One is feedback. Okay, this is the G1. This is the G2. This is the H1, right? This H1 comes from only here. Then there is a next block, that is G3. Okay, and again there is the next mixer, and lastly there is block connector G5. Okay, again see one more feedback is there from last output here to the input side directly. Okay, again there is the one more block available, that is G4 from here to this mixer. Okay, all are, this is positive, okay, this is negative, and this is again negative. Let's start with the example. First step, what do you think, which one is better step or simple step? This is negative. Which one is better or simple step? See, maybe this one is simpler one, because G2 and H1 both are in parallel. So can we use rule number 7, elimination of feedback? See, so remaining things are as it is, right? Here we use elimination of feedback rule, so this become G2 divided by 1 plus G2 H1y plus, because this is the minus, right? The remaining things are as it is, that is G3 mixer G5, right? G5 with the feedback of H2 towards this. Okay, this is negative one, and here there is one more block, that is G4 goes towards this mixer. Okay, this is positive one. Okay, let's move. What will be the next step? See, according to me, these three blocks are in series. See, these three blocks are in series now. So can we use series formula? Okay, mixer as it is. What is the series formula? Just multiply everything, right? So G1 into G3 into bracket G2 upon 1 plus G2 H1 bracket complete. This is the bracket, right? And this is the combination of all three blocks, because all three blocks are in series, so we just take multiplication here, right? G5, and from here, sorry, not from here, it is from here. There is a block called as a G4 towards the mixer, right? And from this output there is a feedback called as a H2 towards this mixer. Okay, now what will be the next? According to you, just observe the block and tell me or guess what will be the next step. See, I think, according to me, I think G4 is a forward block. That's G1, G2 is again forward block. So can we use parallel formula here? Here, okay, because these two blocks are in parallel, right? So what happened in the parallel formula? Just all the blocks are add together, right? So this is the bigger one, G4 add with this bigger block, that is G1, G2, G3, divided by 1 plus G2 H1, right? And then there is a one last block, that is G5, and the feedback come from this side, that is H2, right? Okay. Then what will be the next? Again, say these two blocks are in series. See, these two blocks are in series. So again we use series formula. Here. So what is the remaining after series? See, both are in series. So just take multiplication. I think this one is G4, right? So just multiply G5. So G4 plus G1, G2, G3 and G5, right? Because G5 it is in series, that's why it is in multiplication, right? I think we can't do like this. Okay, so G4 we can put separate only. Okay, this plus is here. Okay, and this multiply G5 upon 1 plus G2 H1, right? The remaining things are as it is. What is the remaining now? Just G5 is remaining, G2 is H2 is remaining here. Okay, this H2 goes towards the input side. Okay, let's take next page. Okay, now again use elimination rule, so the block become very much bigger. Forward block, that is G4 plus G1, G2, G3, G5 divided by 1 plus G2 H1, right? Divided by 1, it become plus because feedback is minus here, right? So plus forward block, that is G4 plus G1, G2, G3, G5 divided by 1 plus G2 H1 into feedback element. What is the feedback element? H2. So H2 is multiplied here like this. Okay, so it become a single block, but it is looks like very complicated. Just try to reduce it. So it is easy. It is the easiest step or easiest formula how to reduce it. The simple one, just cross multiply in the numerator. When we cross multiplication here, it becomes G4 plus G2 G4 H1 plus G2, I think it is G1, okay, so it is G1, G2, G3, G5 whole divided by 1 plus G2 H1 whole divided by, in the denominator what to do? Again, can we take cross multiplication, but G4 in the multiplication, so I think two more steps are required. So G4 in the multiplication, so it becomes G4 plus G2 G4 H1 plus G1 G2 G3 G5. Okay, and again this H2 is outside only, and I think this is the bracket, right? Divided by 1 plus G2 H1. Okay, again take cross multiplication. 1 plus G2 H1 is multiplied with the 1, so numerator as it is G4 plus G2 G4 H1 plus G1 G2 G3, I think it is G5 whole divided by 1 plus G2 H1. Okay, now let's cross multiply here. So 1 plus G2 H1 plus G4 plus can we take H2 inside, so it becomes G4 H2 plus G2 G4 H1 H2 plus G1 G2 G3 G5 H2 whole divided by 1 plus G2 H1, right? See, 1 plus G2 H1, right? This is equal to 1 plus G2 H1, 1 plus G2 H1 cancel here. What is the remaining? The remaining is simple one. What is the remaining? G4 plus G2 G4 H1 plus G1 G2 G3 G5 whole divided by 1 plus G2 H1 plus G4 H2 plus G2 G4 H1 H2 plus G1 G2 G3 G5 H2, and this is your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay. Likewise, you can solve any numerical, complicated numerical, difficult numerical using this formula. You get directly answer. And don't confuse. If you get a complicated steps while solving the example, don't confuse. Just follow your basic rules of mathematics. Step by step, you get the final answer. Don't confuse, or just practicing all the numerical. You try to twice or thrice practice yourself, and you get easily a final answer. Okay. Again, you have any doubt, just put screenshot of that steps and WhatsApp me. Thank you.